Hello and welcome to another update video about Jasmy. Jasmy did follow my preferred scenario here. Actually did only have one on the chart really, but it was obviously based on a condition. That condition was, you could say, maintained and respected by the market. So I'm going to take you through that. I only like 1 or 2 weeks ago, I talked about Jasmy on this channel and showed you this sort of long trade setup here. Looking at the bigger picture, there are two wave counts. There is one wave count, which is the white scenario in which we have an A, B, C structure. And the idea was this was a wave 1 in wave C, this top in December 2023, wave 2 pullback into the 0.005 region in January 24, a long third wave, topped here most recently at around 2.7 cents. In March this year, and then I highlighted to you this here could be the fourth wave pullback. And as long as we're holding the 1.1 cent level, then just looking from this, time frame and degree, we should get a fifth wave to the upside. And now we can look at possible targets again, looking at the bigger picture. 100% extension of wave 1, which is, one of these. Let me just double check that. I might need to adjust that. So this is taking the length of wave 1, and we just double check that. So I think these fibs just need to be double checked. We can do that together. So one possible target for wave 5 of C is that we can take the length of wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 4, and then we're looking for the 100% fib extension. That's pointing to 4 cents. So that's already one of our key targets, the 4 cent mark. So that is the 100% extension of wave 1, possible target. Another way of measuring a target is for this wave count to take the length of waves 1 and 3 together. Then we go to the low of the wave 4, but we're not looking for the 100% extension. No, we're looking for the 61.8 and 38.2 extensions. They point to 3.66 cents and 6.2, so we already have 2 more targets. And the longer time frame target then is if we take the length of the large A wave, which topped in February 23, go to the low of the B wave, well, then we have to activate the higher extensions. Normally, such a C wave, well, it wouldn't normally go above the 1.618 extension, but it did. So we have to really look at extensions here. Just additional levels to watch: the 2.618 extension at 5.4 cents and possibly the 2.382 at 4.2. The goal is here to look for Fibonacci confluence. But because we are so extended in this C wave, it might make the yellow wave count a little bit more likely. Yeah. That's possible. Yellow wave count means that we are in a third wave, and as soon as this third wave has topped, we get another 4-5 pattern. That's actually more in line with Bitcoin, okay? So yeah, we might give the yellow wave count a chance, but first let's see if this third wave or C wave actually, forms a new high, because we haven't really broken out yet. We have broken out locally, but we haven't broken out above the February and the April highs. And to be honest, the white count and the yellow count, they are mirror counts. They move together until we complete this fifth wave to the upside. Here, this fifth wave that started in April. Now we can go to the 4-hour chart. Now it's really about, okay, we first need to complete 5 waves up in wave 5 of either wave C or 3. And looking at the 5-wave move here, it looks like we had our 1-2 setup. I told you that we're in a breakout situation potentially. Inverse head and shoulders there, a bit of an ugly one, but a break above the green line could send us higher. And we've now reached the previous swing highs here, so there is naturally some resistance around that 2.6 cent area. But yeah, the price is pushing. It could easily break the third wave. First ideal target is typically here the 1.38 extension. We've reached that already. So I've already added a support zone for the fourth wave to the chart, and then we can still look for one more high as long as support holds. Very important, that doesn't mean the third wave is topped. I'm simply tracking support now because the third wave is now a viable third wave. It doesn't look finished though. So actually I would prefer if it pushes a bit higher, possibly to 2.7 cents. That's the next upside level to watch. Or if we activate the next extensions, 2.88 or 3 cents even, yeah, that would also match much better the bigger picture targets, larger degree targets I pointed out to you. The larger box here starting at 3.66. But first of all, let's take a look at these micro levels, and then starts at 2.56 cents, 2.75, 2.88, 3 cents. I would have to move this support zone, micro support, which is currently at 1.98 cents, with the price as we climb higher. It doesn't look finished yet, this third wave, so it could easily extend. Basically, the price has done what it needed to do. Condition was that we are holding above this wave 2 high, which we did. And if we get another dip, I mean, this could still turn into a larger wave 4, absolutely. But then the support area remains relevant until we really get a sustained breakout. Yeah, we've broken out above the green line. Yeah, so I take that off the chart now. That was our local breakout point. We haven't really, I wouldn't call that a sustained break yet, but it's looking promising. That's my update about Jasmy. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.